Why do you need coming to sitting from your back for all your locomotion milestones? Guys, this is a really big missed one, okay? You can see the telltale signs. Doing time dictated development, you can see that your baby's got a problem in tummy time, right? I want to make it that your baby has a little problem and a little fix versus a bigger problem. But in sitting, right, you'll start to see this. I can tell you right now, this kid's not gonna come up to sitting through their back. Why? Because there's no midline, right? Later on, you're gonna be like, why doesn't my kid collapse? Because midline is not getting established. In independent sitting, right, it's not with this slouch, right? Pubic bone, they're here, right? They're learning how to take something, pass it to you, but also pick it up. They're starting to cross that midline. They did it with the grabbing their feet, and now they're here. Now, that's at 5.5 months. At 6.5 months, your baby should be here on the floor, see something from the ceiling fan, because they don't know spatial orientation yet, or you, and they're just here, and they're playing, and they see something, and literally just rise. It's just that easy. I didn't use my muscles. I didn't push myself off the ground. I just rose, right? But now I'm here. Great. Why? Because that's what's going to get you to go into all fours. And now I'm crawling. That's what you're looking for. And then I can come back. I can get out of all fours. I can go right back up. And again, I'm crawling. The coming to sitting from the back opens up the pelvis and gets you into all fours. Their baby is higher. But again, right now, what I'm seeing is grabbing my legs, doing this kind of thing, rolling over, head down. I'm here. Again, eye off the prize. Where's my arm? I'm stuck. Get the arm out. Get the arm out. Oh, good. They did it. Right? Now my eyes are kind of back here. And now I'm starting to push in. Where's my head going? I can't see you anymore. Right? And I'm here. I have a bigger chance of going into W sitting. Or again, how am I to get into sitting from here? Other than W sitting. For me to get into sitting, I have to bring my legs all the way around here and do something like this. That's a complex move. Babies don't create milestones on complex moves. Babies create milestone, weight transfer, transitional movements, and rolling, rotational movements. That's it. If they don't have one of the three or all the threes, and I'm going to be covering that now, I finally have a deviation scale. It's all going to be in my neuromuscular clinic in February, starting February. I'm teaching it here in Phoenix, Italy, in the Czech Republic, branching it out so you can start monitoring and from deviation scales, because I'm tired of the age adjusting, I'm tired of this, that, there's too many wait and see excuses. This got to stop. You need to know where your child's at and what you need to work on. So again, if I have a crossed eye and my eye's coming in, right? Now watch this. And this is why I'm so big on vision. It is not normal for kids to have abnormal vision. So I'm laying down. First of all, my eye's coming in. Guess what? I don't see you anymore. I am not going to get up this way because I don't see you. It's hard. I'm lifting my head. I'm going to go this way, right? I'll try and turn this eye in. So my eye's turning in. I can only go this way. But look where I'm at. My head is here. My feet are here. Because again, my eye is off the prize because my eye's going in, right? If you don't believe me, lay down on the floor, cross your eyes like this, and try and get out of bed. You know what I mean? Like you're starting to do a crunch, and that's not it. You're here, your eyes literally like a dart throw, and they get up. It's just that simple. And that's what you're looking for in your baby. That's what you should be looking for in yourself. I'm 60 and I'm doing this stuff. It continues with you for the rest of your life. Milestones just don't happen when you're 6, 7, 8 months old and disappear. They're your foundations for your life, right? And so again, to say, oh, my kid did that, they're fine. First of all, evaluation. There's no more fine. There's no more guessing. There's no more wait and see. We're about and knowing, and why? Because you can start today. If you feel you have concerns in any of the areas that I ever talk about, I've got a video right now that you can do. It's that simple. It's not like, oh, she said that, now I don't know what to do. Now you either do the full course, let's say, coming to sitting, or you look at the rolling over, or you pick one video and you start honing in on the pelvis or the vision. It's that simple. We're not here to make life difficult. We're here to say, this is what's going on, this is what you need to look at, but this is what you need to do.